Yeah, well, today, another one of those alert days here on the Central Coast. We expect those high winds and flood watches to still be into effect here. We expect those thunderstorm chances to come later tonight, as I've shown you throughout the morning, that the next band approaching at around 5 to 6 p.m. We'll see temps today from 56 to 60 degrees, on and off again, moderate to heavy rainfall throughout the day. And as Brooke mentioned, this is our power outage map right now by county. Just over 20,000 there in Monterey County, up into Santa Cruz County at 22,000 as well. And then as I step off here and show you San Benito, 400. So marginal numbers there, 20,000, 22,000, but San Benito working to lower those numbers there at 400. Again, our coastal flood warning lasting until Friday at 10 p.m. This is going to affect mostly creeks and streams and some low-lying areas. For example, San Lorenzo Creek, nowhere even near the minor rate. They're picking up only 5 feet of their rivers being filled, and then that minor risk is at 16.5. So we got to triple that, and we don't expect that from these next systems. We do also have that marginal risk of some thunderstorms along our coastline here. We have that mostly throughout the day and should clear out by Friday for our next system. Let's take a look at your KSBW 8-day forecast. Once again, we have those impacts lasting till Friday. Today being an alert day for all of our areas. It's going to be most prominent, of course, as we know, in the Santa Cruz Mountains, Santa Lucia's, and that Big Sur coastline. Cooler temps for our overnight hours in Hollister and King City by next week.
All righty. Thank you, Brandon. News is always available to you online at our KSBW.com. Don't forget to sign up for breaking news alerts while you're there. Have a great day.